I get forwarded to this Coupert page where I can see multiple stores offering this product cheaper. Technology is designed to make our lives more efficient and convenient. Automation is designed to take manual work off our shoulders, and that applies to coding, image and video generation, and yes, shopping too. Brands constantly offer unique discounts to drive sales, and now buyers can automate the process of promo search and coupon application with tools like Coupert. In this video, I'm going to show you a free extension that's designed specifically to save you money while you shop online. And once again, this extension is totally free. In this video, I'll install it on my computer and see how it actually works. Let's jump straight into it. Let's dive deep. Alright, I'm on Coupert.com. I'm going to click add to Chrome one more time, add extension, and the installation was successful. The extension is now added to my browser. I can already see some of the deals listed. Let's test this extension and see Coupert in action. I'm on the GoPro website looking for batteries. Coupert is already showing me that I can save almost $11 on this purchase elsewhere. Let's see. I got forwarded to this Coupert page where I can see multiple stores offering this product cheaper. Let's filter by price. I'm going to click on this Adorama store. Awesome. Guys, look at this. Over $10 in savings. This is legit. In less than a minute, I saved $10. Let's go back on Coupert and take a look at the key features. Here you can find the best offers as well as cashback offers. If you sign up on the site with your email address, you'll even be able to earn cash rewards for participating in surveys and other activities. But most importantly, this tool is designed specifically for coupons. To activate cashback, just click Apply Reward and complete the purchase. Activate Coupert's cashback feature before finishing your order and receive a portion of the commission back into your account. You can then withdraw your cash back via PayPal gift card or bank card. It takes around 15 days to process cashback rewards. Coupert works on Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, and Safari on desktop and Safari on mobile. This tool is growing fast. It now has 6 million weekly active users on desktop and 3 million on mobile. The cool thing, once again, is that it's totally free. It actually helps you earn money if you think about it. We are heading into the holiday season right now, which means you can save money with every purchase, whether it's for Halloween, Thanksgiving, or Christmas. Take a look at my screen. You can get $50 off this $229 Christmas tree. 50 bucks. And with Coupert, you can grab this $1,350 TV for just a little over $1,000, saving $278 on the spot. So you can clearly see how this works. In the modern world where supply is growing and stores are fighting for your money, you hold the power to negotiate the price. You have the power to use tools that help you do that. When you use AI to code your app or create marketing content, you're using technology to make money. But when you spend it, why not use technology to save cash too? I'm not surprised Coupert is growing in popularity. I completely understand why people choose this tool, and I totally love it. Give it a shot. I'm pretty sure you'll love it too. Check out Coupert and leave your comments in the comment section. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.